gets in better positions, right? They may not have been shooting the ball all that well from the three-point area. And then you want them to be able to keep on moving there. Kasi 4 of 13 ang kanilang three-point shooting, so that's only 31%. But also, you know, when you look at the mismatches, guys, have not been able to really maximize that. Nakita natin itong si Makala going to the basket, and that's good for him.
Next point, maybe that's a mistake.
Okay, Kayo.
Been very efficient offensively, shooting 61% from the field, but also generating more tough turnovers and better ball movement. As you head into the second half, what will be key is to save this.
Well, I think we have to get to a defensive mindset. I know we've been shooting the ball well, but right now we have this lead and we have to focus on our defense. So far, we've got enough time. So we have to make sure that we limit enough time. And just continue with the flow of our offense. I think if we don't pay energy for our defense, our offense will follow.
Thank you so much, Coach Richard. Gentlemen, back to you.
Coach Jeff, you've been there, done that. You're a 12-time champion, 8 as a player, as we mentioned, and 4 as an assistant coach. This is game 3 of a 1-1 series. What does game 1 mean like in the first half that we other team?
Well, it says that it's a good start, and really that's it. So again, the goal is you've established yourself, you're doing some good things. Do not run away from that. So